环看世界，来看美国纽约的运输公司，为着要来撇开着塞车，一个灵感推出着夜间送货。结果这招是大大来应效，讲夜间送货交通是顺，唔拿来撇开着塞车的时段，嘛省汽油，甲省时间，提升着送货效率。
一箱搁一箱，纽约送货人员趁半暝啊开始送货，暗时10点钟，隔壁厅的大门锁起来，送货人员所以当出一七。原来是纽约运输公司推出的半暝送货服务。隔壁厅的头家若是将大门的锁匙交予运输公司，安尼就无问题。不过要甲锁匙交予别人，店头家敢真正会当安心
？Trust?
No, I mean, yeah. Was that a big thing? Was that a hurdle?
It was a hurdle in the beginning, but I think with any sort of change, there's always going to be some hesitation.
送货人甚至可以当斗相共协作，甲货控好势，使用员工搬运的麻烦。若是一个开门，得当准备做行李。
When they come in the morning, they know exactly what they have. It's what they're going to use for the next couple of days.
安尼，若解决员工的麻烦，甚至个撇开违规停车问题，塞车嘛较袂塞车，送货速度嘛变更加紧。
The amount of tickets you get at night are negligible. The amount of incidents, crashes, fender benders is fractional because you're not fighting a million other cars. Gas is totally cheaper. We spend $2.1 million a year on gas. If we were doing it all in a day, it would be 30–40% more because we're just idling.
运输公司的表导挂真侪杯纽约真侪间餐厅的大门锁匙，即摆已经替2500多间餐饮业者提供暗时啊送货服务。纽约市政府嘛希望这送货补偿会当运用伫咧其他产业链，目标伫咧2049年，互全市6万多台货车伫咧暗时啊时段运作。若是暗时啊运输链做好到在，相信会替供应链带来全新的解决。
Once the curtain has been pulled back and you see what's on the other side, it's hard to go back. It's hard to go back because it's so much more convenient.
Hello， 我是林明瑞。想要抢先掌握最及时的新闻资讯吗？赶快订阅、按赞、开启小铃铛，锁定我们华视新闻的 YouTube 频道。